the noise behind. Little smile, feeling free, just being me.